Next we come to question number 5. So what is given there in question number 5? Question number 5, it is given simplify and express the following in exponential form. Okay, so question number 1 is 3 square to the power 3. So here what we have to do is that 2 into 3. How much it is? 3 to the 6. Okay, so our base remains the same, only the parts we are working. Now next is 2 to the power 7, 0 to the power 5. Now you see here, there is a law which says that x to the power 0 is equal to 1 where x is a non-zero rational number. Okay, x cannot be 0. X cannot be 0. Then this formula, wherever you have x to the power 0, it will be 1. But x should be a no, your x should not be should be a non-zero rational number. X cannot be a 0. So here see 2 to the power 2 by 7 to the power 0. That means it is how much? 1. Okay, to the power 5. So 1 to the power 5 will be how much? 1 only, right? So don't forget that x to the power 0 is always 1. Any rational number to the power 0 is 1. Here no, here you cannot have 0. You cannot have 0 to the power 0 is equal to 1. This is wrong. Okay, here some numbers or some your digits should be there. Then only it can be 1. Next, number C. So what is there in question number C? It is given 3 to the power 3 by 4 to the power 2 to the power 4. So what will be, what is our base? Our base is 3 by 4. 2 into 4 is how much? 3 by 5, 4. 2 4 is 8. Right? So this is question number 5. Next we come to question number 6. So what is there in question number 6? In question number 6 we have simplify the following and write the answer in exponential form. Okay, so number 6a. 6a, what is the number given? It is given 2 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 3. Okay, so now it is, what it will be? 3 and 3 is common there, right? So 3 and 3 is common, which means 4 to the 8 to the power 3. Now 8 to the power 3 means what? It is 2 to the power 3, right? So 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So 8 to the power 3. So this is your answer, 2 to the power 3. Next we come to y to the power x into x to the power x into z to the power x. So here you see x is all common. Okay, so what will be your answer? Your answer will be y x or x y z. Also you can write x y z to the power x is your answer. Okay, so next we come to question number C. What is there in question number C? Question number C is 7 to the power 5 into minus 3 to the power 5. Okay, so here 5 and 5 is common, right? So 7 3s are 21 and 3 is having a minus, so minus 21 to the power 5. Okay, so this is your question number 6. Next we come to question number 7. So what is there in question number 7? In question number 7 it is given to simplify. So when we simplify, what is given? A to the power 3 into a to the power 2 to the power 2. Now here what we have to do is there, here we have to a to the power 3 we can write it in this way also, right? A to the power 2. So how much it is? A 3 into 2 is 6 and A 2 into 2 is 4. So now A is the base. So 6 plus 4 is how much? A 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay. So this is question number A. Next we come to question number B. What is given there in question number B? Question number B, it is given that 4 to the power 3 into A to the power 5 into B to the power 3 divided by 4 to the power 2 into A to the power 3 into B to the power 2. Okay. So now we will first try to cancel it. Okay. Here we have 3, here we have 2. So 3 minus 2 is how much? That means it is 4 to the power 3 by 4 to the power 2. This is divide, no? So when we have divide, then next one is A to the power 5, A to the power 3, B to the power 3, B to the power 2. So now 4 is the base. So when we have division, we do 3 minus 2 into A is the base, we do 5 minus 3. B is the base, we do 3 minus 2. So what is my answer? 3 minus 2 is 1. So 4. Okay, we don't write 1. A to the power 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, and B. Okay, I'll write it in this way, you will understand. A to the power 2 into B to the power 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is A4, A square, B. Okay, so this is question number B. Next we come to question number C. So what is there in question number C? Let us see. 6 to the power 0, very good. 6 to the power 0 plus 7 to the power 0 is 2. Now in the previous part I have showed it to you that x to the power 0 is equal to 1, right? So 6 to the power 0 is how much? It will be 1. 7 to the power 0 is how much? It will be 1 to the power 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2 to the power 2. What is the answer? 4. Okay. So this is your answer. Next we come to question number 8. What is given there in question number 8? Question number 8, it is given you have to find out the value of x in each of the following. What is the value? 5x equals to 125. Okay. So now you can do it in, if you know the table, you can easily do it. If you don't know the table, you can do it in this way, 125. So 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So how many 5s we got? We got 3 5. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 3 equals to 125. Okay. So you can write it down here. Value of x equals to 3. Okay. Next we have number B. What is there in number B? It is 2 into 2 to the power x equals to 2 to the power 8. Okay, so there is nothing to do with the base. Our base is same. Only we have to find out here. So now here you see 2 is the base here. Now we have to find out this. Okay, so your 2 into here it is 2 2s are 4. Right? Here if I do it, 2 into 8 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This way we have to do. Now this means what? 2 to the power x into 2 to the power x. Okay. So something should be there which will give me 8. Right, so if I do this, I have to do lots of calculation here. So instead of that, I know 8. 8 means 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. So 2, 4 plus 4 will give me 2 to the power 8. So what is the value of x? Value of x is 4. Okay. So this is question number 8, and with this we come to the end of the revision exercise. Next we are going to start with the next exercise, that is 2.1.